Hello kids, welcome to our geographic learning channel. Today we are going to learn about Brunei. Brunei is a small country in Southeast Asia. Its full name is Brunei Darussalam. The total area of Brunei is about 5,765 square kilometers. Brunei does not have states. Instead, Brunei is divided into 4 districts. Now let's learn the district of Brunei and their capital cities. Brunei Muara district. The capital city is Bandar Seri Begawan. Bilad district. The capital city is Kuala Bilad. Tutong district. The capital city is Tutong. Tembrong district. The capital city is Bangar. So kids, today we learn Brunei has 4 districts. Bandar Seri Begawan is the capital of Brunei. Brunei's area is 5,765 square kilometers. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe for more easy and fun geographic lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.